If you're trying to lose 20 pounds in a month without exercise, this video is meant for you. Let me teach you how to lose weight fast without exercise or diets, because I did that myself, and now I'm sharing my story with everyone who needs to hear it. My name is Stacy, and I'm 51 years old, and a few months ago I went from 261 pounds to 230 pounds in one single month. I managed to lose the first 20 pounds in just 3 weeks by drinking a delicious and pretty unknown Costa Rican tea. And what I'm mostly proud of is that I lost my first 20 pounds in about 3 weeks. So super fast, I didn't even change my diet or exercise any single bit. So in this video, I will share exactly what I did, and I will also give you the Costa Rican tea recipe so that you can prepare it yourself and start losing weight immediately. So, I've never been skinny. I've never been super fit, but I feel like my massive weight gain started after giving birth. I had 2 pregnancies and I gained about 60 pounds after them that I literally could not get rid of. I tried keto, Atkins, Dunkin', and pretty much all of the popular diets. I started working out with a personal coach, and I did see some small results. But every time I would lose 10 pounds, I would gain them back and a bit more in a few weeks. So I just ended up being severely overweight and feeling really miserable. People are so mean and so judgmental with women like me. Whenever I would go out with my husband, I could feel people staring at me with disgust. Some were like, "Why is she eating so much?" And I would rarely order anything more than a salad. So I just started to feel ashamed to even go out anymore. But what really triggered the change in me happened about a year ago, when my doctor told me I was close to developing type 2 diabetes. My fasting blood sugar was 150, and it was mostly because of my weight. So I really had to do something about it. And he said that I needed to lose at least 20 pounds in the next month. Otherwise, he would have to put me on insulin shots. I was absolutely terrified because I've always been afraid of needles. They were my biggest nightmare. So having to inject myself every single day would literally make me sick. Because of the news I got from my doctor, I started feeling really depressed. So a friend of mine tried to help, and she told me about a Costa Rican tea she'd been drinking to lose 7 pounds already. But honestly, I didn't really believe it would work for me because she was about 10 pounds overweight, and the weight I had to lose was a lot more. But I ended up seeing the story of a woman on Facebook. She was around my age, and she was saying she had lost 42 pounds with the same Costa Rican tea my friend mentioned. So I dropped her a message and we chatted for a few hours actually, and eventually she convinced me to give this tea a try. I got the recipe and I had my first cup before breakfast. I was really desperate to lose those 20 pounds in a month, so I called my doctor and I asked him about this Costa Rican tea. He checked the recipe and he really liked it, but he advised me to drink 3 to 4 cups every morning instead of 1. I obviously agreed. And the next day I noticed I had a lot more energy and I wasn't craving sugar all day long anymore, just like I would before. This tea alone kept me full for hours, and I would get hungry only after 2 or 3 in the afternoon. After just 2 weeks, I noticed I had lost 14 pounds and almost 2 inches off my waistline, even though I wasn't really doing anything else to lose weight, just drinking 4 cups of this Costa Rican tea daily. That's when I realized it was actually working, and I became so excited because nothing else had worked for me in the last 20 years. Long story short, I managed to lose the first 20 pounds in just 3 weeks. So I was free from the insulin shots, which was so relieving. But I continued to drink 4 cups of my Costa Rican tea every single day. And at this point, I'm at 183 pounds from 261, which means I have now lost almost 70 pounds, and that's honestly just wow. So right now, I have a lot of people asking me what my secret is. And I'm always saying there isn't any. I'm just drinking this incredible tea, and that's all I'm doing to lose weight. Right now, I want to drop 40 more pounds and reach my ideal weight of 143. This is my goal. But I'm so confident that by drinking the tea daily, I will get there in less than a month. So I really think that everyone should try this Costa Rican tea because it literally changed my life. If you want to lose weight, it should be one of the first things you actually try because it's really a lifesaver. It's so yummy and it gives you so much energy, it literally takes away your cravings. But my favorite part is that it burns fat so easily and without any side effects. I mean, I still can't believe I lost so many inches from my waistline without even struggling very much. Now, because I'm sure you want to try it, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the recipe. Just click on it and get the Costa Rican tea recipe, and you can start drinking it tomorrow morning. One more thing I want to say is that after I lost so much weight, I thought I had to research the weight loss teas from the market. And it's funny that none of the slimming teas out there have these unique ingredients. So I think that's why this Costa Rican tea works so well for me. So just click the link in the description of this video and get the recipe. It's all that simple. I really hope it's going to inspire you and help you lose weight just as fast as I did, because it's really possible no matter what everyone is telling you. I did it, and so can you.